Okay, so I'm going back to my room right now, so the lighting is gonna, yeah, I had a feeling it was gonna get like that. So anyways, I just did my hair and makeup, and I wanted to show you guys something that I've been using a lot right now to do my like mermaid waves. But I've been using this little barrel to make these like beachy mermaid hair waves. I've been loving it so much. I got it from Amazon, so I will try to have it linked down below. Most likely I will. I feel like it was pretty quick. I don't feel like I spent too much time on it, but I am freaking loving the waves. I'm actually gonna take some Instagram pictures by myself. I'm gonna show you guys how I take my own pictures. I don't do it all the time by myself, but I've been trying to like do it more lately. So yeah, I'm just wearing this outfit for the photos. This is basically a Princess Polly dress. It's so cute. And then I just have on these cowgirl type boots. I think these are actually from Pretty Little Thing. They're dirty because I wore them for like my Halloween costume. So that's my outfit of the day. This is not my best angle, you guys, but I'm actually gonna set up my tripod so I can put you guys on it. We are in my living room right now. I've actually been meaning to redo it. Where's the little thingy? Oh, I left it in my room. Okay, I am now back. So like I was saying, oh, this is a lot better. Yeah, I want to redo my living room because my mom just has the most randomest things on the wall. Like this is a Atlanta Falcon like car tag, and I don't know why it's in the living room. Honestly, let me take this off right now. All right, so I moved that because it was bothering me, but I actually set this up earlier. I literally just got like a white sheet blanket thingy that I got from like Target, and I kind of just hung it like that so it could kind of fall in the middle. The funniest part is that my dog is like right here. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how you could take your own Instagram photos as well. You'll kind of see the behind the scenes. I don't know, it's important to be independent, not rely on anybody. So the first thing that I use is this tripod. I got it from Amazon for about like $30 or $40, but it has so many things because it's basically a ring light, and it has a stand, and then you could like adjust the levels on it from here. I guess you don't technically need to have it. You could always make your own tripod. I literally made my own tripod for the longest, just like stacking things. But I just like how this is more portable. You could take this anywhere. I'm planning on going out to take pictures by myself sometime. I might vlog it, we'll see. So this is really helpful. And then the second thing you really need is this clicker. This clicker came with the tripod that I have right here. Ooh, I almost knocked it down. This thing is so helpful. This is the only thing you absolutely do need, but you might as well go ahead and buy like this thing together because it's like just better. So I'll have this linked down below for you guys. And then the third thing you need is your phone. I do not use professional cameras. All the Instagram photos that you see on my Instagram are taken with my phone. I don't even have the most advanced phone out there. Like mine is just still one camera. I kind of don't see the point in having 3 cameras in an iPhone, but that's just me. I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone on this stand. Make sure to adjust it. Because this is a cheaper tripod, this thing is kind of like funky. I just don't really trust it. It's kind of wonky, but it does the job, so I'm just gonna continue using it. I don't think I'm gonna use my ring light because I have so much light already coming in, so I think I could just do natural light for right now. And then basically the last thing you want to do is just connect this to your Bluetooth on your phone. I'm just gonna keep you guys right here in the back, and I'm just gonna do my own thing in front of the camera, kind of do some different poses. I'm not a model or anything like that, so I might look awkward sometimes, but I just keep going, and then usually I just get like a really good shot. I'm also gonna put music on, so I'm just gonna mute this clip. Oh, it's a doggy. just uploaded the final photos that I chose and that I ended up really liking. Literally, there's no excuse. You guys could be independent. If you are into creating photos or videos or anything, you could do anything by yourself, and you just need to do your own research and you just need to want it, honestly. If you guys want me to do like a separate video on this and like how I edit my photos, I have gotten a few requests on that video. Let me know and I'll do like a separate video on that.